Morning all and happy new year 2020. Wow, that's soon flying by. Anyway, nice to have you back. Start of the new year, start of a new era, I think. Things are going to change, that's for definite. Today I'm going to run through what I've been doing, how ClickASnap's going. It's basically now 10 weeks since I started on here, and I'm just going to run through a few figures, and then I'm going to talk about what I think ClickASnap can be used for. So the figures, pretty basic, basically. So that's today's date. We're now on $3.59. That's $3.59. 500 odd photos, which isn't too bad. I've had one sale, averaging out at about 5 cents a day. It's not too bad, but considering you don't get that on any other platform, so Facebook, Instagram, anywhere you share your photos, your own website, you won't even get that. You're not getting paid for people looking at stuff. On ClickASnap, that's the beauty of it. It can be used like this, and like I'm going to talk about. So, they're the figures. Let's get them out of the way. Applications for the site. Well, for me, the applications for the site are massive. As a photographer, yes, I go out, I take photos of all sorts. I do model shoots, as you can see. I do landscapes, wildlife, everything. Basically, there isn't something that I don't take photos of. It's just something I'm passionate about, I like doing. So what can you do it for? Well, say you're a wedding photographer. You've got your own website, that can go on there, that can have a look. There's nothing wrong to stop you having your own website, but you have this. Now, in this day and age, people want to be able to download or buy straight from websites for prints and stuff. Nothing to stop you from doing that. On this, it's easy. Create an album for it. Basically, they can go and have a look. But what you've got to remember is, while they're looking at photos, you're getting paid for them looking at the photos. Alright, it's not a lot, but you're still getting paid for it. Put it on your own website, put it on Flickr or Facebook page or whatever you want to do. You don't get paid for it. Here you do. It's pretty basic. It's not hard to do. Create the album. I mean, I've got a few albums up there. Create the album. Go from there. Add the photos to it. Send them the link to the album. They can browse it. They can look at it. You can set your pricing for printing. For things for printing, there's all sorts in there. There's photographic prints. There's canvases. There's mugs. There's mouse mats. You name it. It's there. And there's going to be more added in the coming weeks. Well, not weeks, probably a month and a half from what I've been spoken to Tom, who owns the site, about. He's on about hopefully bringing other things in. So basically you're going to have more scope for selling. As you know, I'm a seller and I'm on Pro subscription, which is costing me about £5 a month. Which basically works out to be about 17 pence-ish, just under 16 point something a day. Now for me, yes, if you want to look at the figures, I'm in the red because I've paid for 3 months up to now and I've only made, let's have a look, I mean that's a conversion, so I've made, with that and the sale I did, alright, so I'm down about 750, but I don't think about it like that personally. I think about the whole thing and I know what's coming. Alright, yous don't, but I've got a good idea what the site is going to be like in 6 months to a year. It's going to be big. Jump on the bandwagon, it's up to you. Don't care. It's, at the end of the day, it's your choice. But with what's coming up, I think, yeah, things could change. What subscription channel, what thing are you going to be on? That's up to you. Start off at free. If I was on the free account and I was uploading 7 photos a day, I'd basically be at 490 photos now. So, you know what I mean? I'm not that far ahead of that. Do it as Ultimate Uploads, ad free. Do as a seller account, sell stuff, or you can go pro like I have. It's up to you. Come and try it, see what you like. You've got nothing to lose at the end of the day. You're already sharing your photos on platforms where people can right click on your photos and copy them. So if you're on Facebook, if you're on Twitter, if you're on Instagram, Flickr, whatever, it doesn't matter. You can be right clicked, you can be copied, you can do whatever you want to. The thing I like about the Pro account is basically you can't copy the photos. You can't screen grab, you can't copy and paste, you can't, you know what I mean? It just won't do it. But anyway, guys, keep on watching. There's going to be updates coming. And that's about it. Hope you had a great Christmas and a great New Year. And I'll see you next time. Bye now.